Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have another video up today and I'm really excited about this one. This is going to be that $300 price point that seems to be pretty famous on my channel, but this is the buy it now on eBay option. So literally you're going to be able to go on eBay, add all the things to your cart and click buy, and you'll have a full gaming PC at your house. All you got to do is put it together and then you can game. And this is going to be able to play games like Fortnite, Valorant, some Apex, all those esport titles really well. And if you guys are wanting to get into Fortnite, a little bit of competitive, have that 120 FPS refresh rate, then you're going to be able to do that in this video. And so the reason I do something like this is because I've had comments down below say things like, well, I've checked the links in your description and the price doesn't match what your title says. Now the reason is because not all of my videos are a buy it now online. In fact, most of my videos are I locally find these deals and then I put computers together for good prices. So this video specifically is you can buy it online, and please check the links down in the description because all of the links to these parts will be down there, and you just add them to your cart and you'll be able to buy this gaming PC. And I also will be going throughout the video and giving different options. So I'm going to give about 3 to 4 options on each of the parts I chose, and they're all going to be compatible with each other, so don't worry about that. And the reason I'm doing this is for different price points. The main price point is going to be around $300. But I also have given a couple more options that are a little bit more expensive, so you could probably go to the $350 price range. And then I've also given a couple cheaper options that you could go for around the $250. So this is about a $250 to $350 gaming PC. Now I also will be telling you guys which options I chose so that you know exactly how to build it if you chose the options I did. So please stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and go over the parts I chose for this system, where you can buy it, how you can do it, and then how does this thing perform. Now the way I've decided to set this up is in the text in the bottom left corner of the screen right now. There's going to be 4 different links, and whichever one is in parentheses is going to be the one I have chosen to use. So for instance on this it's going to be number 2, which is the E3-1270. So if you go in the description, the second link is going to be this exact processor, and this is how it's going to be for every part. So if you want to buy the one I specifically bought, then just choose the one that's in the parentheses. Now this is the E3-1270, which is a 4-core, 8-thread processor clocked at 3.4 GHz on the LJ1155 socket that does really well for modern day gaming. And now we have the cooler for the system. I chose this UX100 because I actually bought these in bulk. Again, you've seen this in my last video. It's a really good cooler and works out really well. And this is going to be option 1 for this cooler. So if you'd like to buy this one specifically, then I would choose option 1. But the others are actually not bad either, and they're cheaper, so this is all your choice on what will work. And all of them, of course, are compatible. Alright, and so for the motherboards, I chose option 1, which is going to be the Optiplex 790 motherboard, which you saw in my last video. So there are some things to this. Now, if you buy this and don't do anything to it, you are going to have to press F1 at boot up, which looks like this. So you're going to have to press F1, but it does not cause any problems with the computer at all. All you have to do is press F1. It's fully functional. But if you do want to get rid of those errors for that cheap price, then you can watch my latest video, which also tells you how to do it right here. At the first 3 minutes, it tells you how to fix those issues. But if not, option 3 has a motherboard where you don't have that F1 boot error. But again, it doesn't cause any problems. You just have to press F1. And those are the motherboard options for this. Now, nothing special on the RAM here. I chose option 1, which is just 4 sticks of 4 GB each of DDR3 clocked at 1600 MHz. Now, the second option for this is actually just if the first one runs out of stock. And then the third option is going to be only 2 sticks that equals 16 gigs of RAM, so that you have 2 sticks open just in case you want a little bit of upgrade path. And those are the options for RAM in this system. Alright, now I do have an amazing option for this budget GPU section, which is going to be the RX 460, which you've actually seen on this channel on my $270 gaming PC video, and also my AMD upgradable Ryzen gaming PC video. This RX 460 performs so well for it being 2022 now, but as you can see in the video, that's not the graphics card shown on screen. I actually have an R9 270 on screen. They're not that big of a difference in performance. It's probably going to be around 5 to 10 frames per second, so on the benchmarks, keep that in mind. But the RX 460 is going to be the option you should choose, option 1. Now for the SSD, I just chose the cheapest option, and this is almost always in stock, so it's going to be the first link for the SSD. What a great price for great performance. Now I'm going to be using a 1 terabyte hard drive for this build, and I put in a couple different links, but they're all like the same hard drive. They're not the exact same brand, but they're all 1 terabyte hard drive because they run out of stock a lot, so I give you a couple options so you can at least get one. Mine, of course, is not that exact same hard drive, but it's a 1 terabyte hard drive that I got at the price point of option 2 for this build. And the power supply options are pretty nice in this build. I found 3 different options. The first one is going to be an EVGA 500 watt bronze edition, so you guys who are a little iffy on the power supplies, you can go ahead and buy that one. The second one is an Apivia 600 watt that also is 80 plus certified, and then the third one, the one I have chosen, absolutely my favorite, the 360 watt 80 plus gold certified power supply. But with this power supply, you are gonna need cable extensions because depending on the case you use, it's not going to be able to reach your motherboard. So I picked up these white cable extensions with this, but of course if you choose the other power supplies, you're not going to need these extensions. I just happen to choose the third option. Now for the cases, I maybe cheated just a little bit. I actually used Newegg for the case because I had it lying around and I really wanted to push this content out for y'all. But I gave you 3 options here on eBay for some nice cases, and option 1 would probably be the closest to this case, but I also left the Newegg link down there just in case you wanted the exact case I bought in this video. How many times can I say case? Anyway, let's go ahead. Okay, let's just get into the build.
Back from the dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, the countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go, 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 go.
Now we're back from the dead.
Stay with me.
Alright everybody, this is going to be the final price tally of all the choices I have chosen. As you can see, I have little parentheses in there, italicized so it's easier to see, of all the options I chose on all the parts. Now, it does come out to $310, but guys, it could be a little bit cheaper depending on the parts you choose, or a little bit more expensive and get some more performance. Now let's get straight into the benchmarks and see how this performs.
a Hellcat.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Keys Budget Tech. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video I actually created just for you guys because y'all have been blowing up my channel. I never would have asked for this. I mean, it's been going really well. I'm getting lots of views and subscribers, and I'm just saying thank you so much. And that's pretty much what this video was about. It's for you people out there who have been subscribing and you just want a gaming PC. You just want to ship to your house and want to be able to play Fortnite and things like that. So I try to keep it low budget and for you guys to be able to just do it. Just go build a gaming PC. So I really can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for helping out my channel, and please stay tuned because I'm going to keep posting as many videos as I can. And anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.